Nakajingla ka Sorkar jalaban pen Kynriah yaki hawkers na Kynriah chaka parking lot ka badan Hamuda complex usembut menteri rangba ka jala uba Sniaw bahalang dhar ubadai pet yaka tenat urban affairs ula pentip basyan an pen Kynriah no yaki basyong di jingdi harut surak bat lenti yai kejat ki badan na Cantonment bat kumju ru na Laitumkhrah. Haba pentip ya kini syakilat pathai kubor ha kan Nohprah sengi jong kat kendai dari unai luar arja arpesan uba Sniaw bahalang dhar ulaong baka Sorkar kala bu Thong ban pendep ya ke jing pen Kynriah ha Bnai Nohprah.
The same manner how I do in Kynriah. No way it won't affect. Government is always working collectively, all the coalition partners, don't worry on that.
And so when are you going for next phase? Because now we understand.
No, we are on the job as of now while I'm speaking. So I think it should be by December, it should be majority of the place, it should be relocated. We are trying.
How many?
Because as of now, we are trying to identify the good place for them. Because where to put them, so more or less likely we almost get. So it's not appropriate for me to share since the location is not yet finalized. So we are on the job, full swing on the job of this.
By when are you? Means how many are you?
At the earliest possible, I cannot say when. The earlier the better.
How many are you done?
No, we are yet on that survey. How many we have to do? There are so many, official and non-official, and we
So
counted official whoever got this COV.
Which are the areas first preference?
GS Road and Laitumkhrah, I think. Now next to be is GS Road, Laitumkhrah, maybe whoever first.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ka dur jing ki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki mar bam modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya